Hi there, it's Teacher Maria again from 5th and 6th grade, and today I have a cooking class for you. The recipe for today is learning how to make an apple cake. Follow me. For our apple cake, we're going to need 2 cups of oat flour, 2 cups of wheat flour, or as we know them as regular flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 spoons of ground cinnamon, 4 eggs, 1 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of natural yogurt, 1/2 cup of vegetable oil, 1 cup of water, 4 to 6 apples is going to depend on the size of them, 1/2 cup of ground nuts. And that will be it for our ingredients. The steps to make our apple cake are: first, wash and chop the apples in small cubes. Then, grease sides and bottom of our cake mold with vegetable butter and cover the bottom using wax paper. After that, sprinkle 1/4 of brown sugar in the base of our cake mold, 1/2 of the cup of the ground nuts, and 1 cup of the chopped apples. After that, grind 2 cups of oats in the blender to get the flour in a bowl, and add all the dry ingredients. While you're doing that, preheat the oven into 350 Fahrenheit degrees or 180 Celsius degrees. After that, you're going to blend all the eggs using a mixer, and when they rise, add the yogurt, the water, and all the dry ingredients and the rest of the chopped apples as well. After you have mixed everything, put it into the cake mold and bake it for around 30 to 40 minutes. After it's made, let it set and cool down for around 15 minutes. When it's done, have a nice piece with a glass of milk and enjoy it.